Good morning, student. Today my topic name is the temperate zone. The temperate zone. The temperate zone lies in the temperate region, which is neither too cold or not too hot. ये ना ज़्यादा ठंडा होता है और ना ही ज़्यादा गर्म होता है. This region is located away from the equator, between the Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north, and the Arctic Circle, 66.5 degree north in the northern hemisphere, and the Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degree south, and the Antarctic Circle, 66.5 degree south in the southern hemisphere. These regions are known for their grasslands. जो ये यहाँ का एरिया है ये अपने ग्रासलैंड के लिए भी जाना जाता है. That cover nearly 1/3 of the Earth's land surface. Grasslands are open, fairly flat and continuous area made up of many different kinds of grasses. This area does not have enough regular rainfall to support the growth of a forest, but not so little as to form a desert. Different names of grasslands. The prairies in North America, the steppes in Russia, the pampas in South America, the veld in South Africa, and the downs in Australia. नेक्स्ट क्लाइमेट. टेम्परेट जोन का क्लाइमेट कैसा होता है इसमें हम ये जानेंगे. इन द नॉर्थन हेमिस्फीयर द ग्रासलैंड्स आर फाउंड इन द इंटीरियर ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंट्स. These areas are very hot in summer and very cold in winter. समर में यहाँ बहुत गर्मी पड़ती है और विंटर में यहाँ बहुत ठंड होती है. This is known as the continental type of climate. Sometimes hot winds called Chinook, which blow in spring over the prairies, help to melt the snow and make grazing possible. In the southern hemisphere, the temperate grassland zone is located near the coast. As a result, here the climate is moderate. The climate is very pleasant throughout the year. Vegetation and plant life. यहाँ की plant life कैसी होती है? Plant life in this region is essentially grass and some flowers. It varies from region to region depending on the rainfall received. Since the prairies in North America receive a lot of rain, तो यहाँ पर अगर देखो यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा रेन होती है तो यहाँ की ग्रास कैसी होती है? बहुत ज़्यादा टॉल होती है. The steppes have shorter grass because they receive less rainfall. The soil of temperate grassland is very fertile. In spring, while the grass is fresh and green, in summer it turns brown. Summer में ये क्या होती है? Brown हो जाती है. By autumn में क्या हो जाती है? It turns dry. And by winter it finally die. But the roots remain buried in the snow and again grow in spring. Alfalfa is the most common grass here and is fed to cattle. बेटा इसमें राइस एंड जो वीट होती है वो यहाँ की वो मतलब कि एक तरह से ग्रास का ही एक तरह से टाइप है. वाइल्ड लाइफ. डू यू नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एनिमल्स लिव हियर? In the northern hemisphere are bison and grizzly bears. कुछ animals such as wolves are also found here. In the southern hemisphere, anaconda are found. Australia is home to kangaroos, wallabies and koalas. Many migratory birds are also found, such as a swallow. Wild animals such as wild horses, deer have made the temperate zone their home. Many small animals of this region, such as a squirrel and hedgehogs, hibernate, mean slip through instead of hunting for food in winter. The African savanna is home to elephants, giraffes, rhinos, zebras, lions, hyenas and warthogs. टेम्परेट जोन की ह्यूमन लाइफ कैसे होती है? The prairies in North America are known as the greenery of the world and cultivation is carried out extensively in a mechanized fashion here. Machines called combine harvesters are used to harvest the crop. Crops such as rye, wheat, oats and barley are grown here. यहाँ पर रशिया में वीट उगाई जाती है. कनाडा, साउथ अमेरिका एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया में भी वीट उगाई जाती है. Beef cattle rearing is also practiced at the open grassland, provide good natural pastures for the cattle. Livestock farming and cereal farming are both common practices of the people living in the grassland areas. Dairy farming can be found in the temperate grassland of New Zealand. The farms produce fresh milk, butter, cheese, and milk powder, which are exported to the other countries. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe. Please like कीजिए. Be happy and be safe.